Yesterday at Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden coins, 4 big macaws, 3 loving birds, 2 cockatoos, and a parrot in a pear tree.
So this is Pickles, my new friend. She's one of the 584 tropical birds rescued from the World Parrot Refuge on Vancouver Island. They had been living in really appalling conditions. And now a team of volunteers across Vancouver and Vancouver Island have been caring for these hundreds of birds and providing food and medical care, medicine, shelter, and trying to find them new homes. When I first was speaking to some of the volunteers involved in this rescue, which is one of the largest animal rescues in North America, they were pretty distraught. I know that the vet here at Night Owl Bird Hospital has been working tirelessly since the rescue, sleeping up maybe only 5 hours a night, not really eating, just caring, giving her heart to these birds. And she has a business to run, but the vets here at Night Owl Bird Hospital were giving their time free, and they need the support of a really caring community to help these birds. Give us a kiss. They just want love, these birds. They need a lot of love and care. So please be a true love and donate to help the 584 parrots that were left in such tragic and horrible circumstances.